Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. My name is Febrith and today we're looking at the House of Wizardry monthly crate. So this time it's a very small box, check it out, really tiny. We will expect a potion, a pin, a mystery item and a t-shirt. So let's get it open and see what we have this month. Also, apologies for not doing a video last week, but I've just been so busy redecorating. We had a new loft hatch put in and the ceilings are like, well, this house is 204 years old and the ceilings have got 204 years of crap literally settled on top of them. So when they took out the old ceiling, oh my God, it was like the atom bomb, honestly. I have a new respect for all those people that lived through the war. I'm not even joking. How they cope with bombing, I'll never know. Anyway, let's see what we've got in here. At the moment, there's really not a lot to see, just paper and plastic. So let's grab one and see what's inside this. I do like the way they put their little sticker on everything. It's super cute. I will show you close-ups of all of these items at the end. Okay, looks like we've got the potion. Ooh, really? Right, okay. Need to find my glasses. Please hold. Yay, beguiling bubbles. Look how cute. It looks like bubble tea, actually. Do you see what I mean? And it's really pretty. Love the label, love the seal on the top. I'm guessing it's Nin's Apothecary again. And then on the back it says, contains finest pearl dust for decoration only. Come on, there we go. Now we're back in focus. Honestly, I really need to get a new camera, but for the little that I actually post, you know, one video a week, is it really worth it? Let's have a look and see what else we've got in here. Oh, okay. So I found the wearable. Interesting. Nice colour. Kind of royal blue, Air Force blue. Gosh, that looks enormous. Okay. All right. So that says Eros Potion Brewing Co. Staff. And then on the back, the same thing. Oh my God. There's a little Cupid. That's quite cute. Really love the colour of this. I like the pink that matches my hair colour currently, so I will probably actually wear that. Nice. Okay, move on to the, what I'm guessing is the mystery item. Haven't found the pin yet. Maybe it's, oh yeah, it's in the bottom of the box. Okay, let's see. There we go. As you see, it's all right. Yeah, like I said, it's very plain. I guess you could use the glass afterwards, after you've burnt it. It smells like sweets. It smells like, you know, those little candy heart sweets that you can get, or you used to be able to get when you were a kid. Maybe you still can, I don't know. That's what it smells like. Kind of candy-like. It's a bit plain and, yeah, not my cup of tea, not my kind of candle, but it's all right. It'll get burnt. It's a nice size. And then finally, we have the pin. Sounds intriguing. Sounds crunchy. Okay, so the pin... There we go. See if I can get that to focus. It's Bill and Fleur's wedding, right? Gotta be. Surely that looks absolutely lovely. The focus, awful. By the way, if you're wondering about what's going on here, I had a Monroe piercing years ago, and I let it close up, and I had it redone a couple of weeks ago, and it's like, it just looks like I've got a massive spot on my face, but it's actually it's a new piercing. Okay, right then, let me show you close-ups of all of these items and let me know what you think about them. All right, so here we have the 4 items. The love potion isn't blowing me away. I think it's just the glass container that I don't like, honestly. But there we are. It's plain, but it'll get burnt. It's all right. The t-shirt, same as usual. It's a Fruit of the Loom, and this is a transfer on the top, so be careful how you wash it. The pin, very pretty. I like that. I'll have to find somewhere to put it. This is probably my favourite item, actually, this potion. It's super cute. I love the bottle and everything about it. The little heart charm. It's adorable. And so the t-shirt was designed by the House of Wizardry, and the potion and candle by Nin's Apothecary, the pin by Felix and Fairy Tales. How lovely is that? And I shall Google them and see what else they've got, because that is really nice. One thing I would say is I have been considering stopping this particular subscription, but next month it's Magical Transport. What can you do? I think I need that one, honestly. Although I have now subscribed to the Wizarding Trunk, to their quarterly box. I've bought from them before. I did a video on it quite a while ago. It was the Potter Collector's, one of his boxes. It was just a one-off that I bought just to see what they were like. And so now I've bitten the bullet and I'm going to go ahead with that. So you'll see that coming hopefully sometime in March or early April maybe. Anyway, so yeah, I will be back with the Magical Transport version of this next month. That's it for today's video. Do let me know what was your favourite item, and I will see you soon for the next one. Take care and stay safe, everybody.